I bought this car for $14,000, even though it originally cost $450,000 when my friends told me no one would dare touch it and that it would definitely become a money pit. But I said, we have been restoring classic cars for so many years. As long as there is even one screw left, we can bring it back to full life next. Watch how we turn stone into gold and let this $450,000 supercar dominate the streets again, brothers. Brothers, let's get to work. The entire interior is completely stripped out and cleared, leaving only the bare structure. After that, we move straight into mechanical disassembly as the next step of the rebuild process, getting everything ready for a full restoration from the ground up. Because of the rear-mounted engine layout, all work and filming can only be done from the rear of the car. We successfully removed the massive V10 engine, and with the heart of the car out, the complete engine teardown officially begins, marking a major step in the full restoration process. Look at those thick muscles. The engine teardown is now complete, and the cylinder walls and piston assemblies show extremely severe scoring according to factory repair standards. This level of damage already qualifies the engine for replacement. For a high-performance car, using sleeves or temporary fixes is only a short-term solution and will inevitably require another rebuild in a short time. So we made a decisive choice to replace it with a brand new original factory engine assembly to ensure long-term reliability and performance. Brand new original parts installed and upgraded to 4 watts. The engine was upgraded to a 4-liter setup, fully reassembled, and is now ready to be installed back into the car. With the engine fully revived, the whole car moves into repainting. As the year end approaches, red is chosen to match the festive atmosphere and bring the car back with a strong, lively presence. Look at how bright this color is. And of course, all the paint we use is German BASF water-based materials, which guarantees top-level quality and finish. Look at the effect before polishing. Is it bright enough? Full-time all-parts disguise. All components are fully reassembled and restored, and the complete vehicle renovation is finally finished. Now let's take a look at the refreshed exterior and the brand new interior results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.